We were challenged a dozen years ago after 9/11 and the anthrax mailings with finding ways to communicate emergency health and other emergency information to the widespread public. We immediately saw the challenge of doing so with our new Minnesotans, those folks who wouldn't have the cultural understanding, nor the language skills necessarily, nor access to our traditional media.
ECHO has been one of our important partners in trying to get information out to people in communities that really don't speak English well, have limited English proficiency.
It is really a gift to have ECHO here, and so we're very, very, very fortunate to have them here in the state. And I am one of those public health professionals who knows that their value is beyond anything we can put into words.
These communities need a voice. They're in our schools, they're in our workplace, they're in our communities, and we see them, but we don't hear from them. And so ECHO's vision is to give them some visibility, to get them part of the conversation.
The ECHO and TPT partnership really started as a broadcast partnership, using the power of television and using what eventually became a statewide network.
By finding the right communicators, we found the right conveners and people to connect us to the community.
So it's not about just translation, but it's about having a face and having a voice and credibility.
These are folks committed to their work. They know what they're doing, they have the expertise, and they care about all their communities.
People who were maybe more emerging, recently arrived immigrant communities in Minnesota 10 years ago have been here essentially a generation now. Doesn't mean that they don't still have needs. The needs are different though. And ECHO has been able to see that through and move with those communities as they move, and then been there to welcome new communities as they've arrived.
More and more and more needs. And our desire is to fill and reach those needs, which means we need to grow. We need to position ourselves for the growth our communities deserve. And I'm very proud to stand here and let you know that beginning May 1st, that ECHO Minnesota will be joining Twin Cities Public Television, TPT, in a joint mission to take ECHO's work to the very next level.
Twin Cities Public Television is the only station, public media station in the nation that broadcasts in 7 languages. We're the only one that broadcasts in more than 2 because of you.
And those of us who aspire to be leaders in our communities, follow Lillian McDonald, a person that without any further interest make ECHO a reality. This is not just Minnesota. This is the United States of America. This is the face of our community, and this is the legacy that we leave to our families, to our country.
Although we are no stranger to the importance of ECHO program and TPT's work, by coming together, I strongly believe that it sends even a stronger message to all communities.
We know information is power, and if you don't understand the language, the content, then you don't get to have that power. And that's what ECHO is to our new Americans, the newcomers, new immigrants. And it's just a wonderful thing to be part of. And I can't wait of what the future brings with TPT. It's just, it's going to be incredible, and I'm very excited.